भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं।
So Kunti says, Kachit kechid ahu ajam jatam. Ajam, the eternal, the unborn, is now has taken his birth. Then, of course we can say that Krishna is taking birth. Yes, Krishna takes birth. But his birth is not like ours. That we should know. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Janma karma mein dibbam jo janati tat. Krishna is taking birth as the son of Devaki or Mother Jashoda. But he is not taking birth exactly like us. That is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. When Krishna appeared, he did not come out from the womb of Devaki. He first of all appeared. You have seen the picture. And then he became a small child on the lap. Therefore, Krishna's birth is transcendental. Our birth is by force, by the laws of nature. He is not under the laws of nature. Laws of nature works under him. Maya dhakshena prakriti suati sacharacharam. Prakriti, nature is working under the order of Krishna. And we are working under the order of nature. That is the difference. See, Krishna is the master of nature and we are servant of nature. That is the difference. Maya dhakshena prakriti suyate. Therefore, Kunti Devi says, Kechit ahu. Somebody says like that. Somebody says like that. That the unborn has taken birth. How the unborn can take birth? It appears like that. But it is not taking birth. It appears just like he has taken birth like us. No. Therefore it is said distinctly, Kechit ahu. Some foolish person say like that. And Krishna has also said in the Bhagavad Gita, Avajananti manga mudha. Those who are rascals, they think that I am also just like ordinary human being. Avajananti manga mudha manasim dehamasita. Because I have appeared just like a human being, so some of the rascals, they think that I am also one of the human beings. No. Param bhava vajananta. He does not know what is the mystery behind the gods taking birth like human being. Param bhava vajananta. So similarly, Krishna is Aja. He takes birth likely, not exactly he takes birth. He is everywhere. Just like Krishna, it is stated, Ishara sarvabhutanam riddese arjuna tishtati. The Ishar is, the Lord is situated in everyone's heart. If that is a fact, see, if Krishna is within your heart, within yourself, see, if he immediately comes in your front, so what is the difficulty for Krishna? He is already within and he is all powerful, just like Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj, when he was engaged in meditation, the form meditation, 400 Vishnu he was meditating upon, all of a sudden his meditation broke and he saw the same figure before him, immediately. Is it very difficult for Krishna? He is already within you, and if he comes out, Similarly, if Krishna is within the heart of everyone, devotee also, so if he comes out before devotee in the same four-handed form, is it very difficult for Krishna? So people do not know. Therefore Krishna says that you have to understand Janma karma means Dibbam, transcendental birth. My activities, my birth. Therefore Kunti Devi knows that Krishna is unborn. Krishna does not take birth. But it appears like that to some fools. Therefore they say that Krishna has taken birth. But why Krishna takes birth? The next question will be. That is replied, Punna Shloka Sakirtai. Punna Shlokas. Those who are very pious, very advanced in spiritual understanding, to glorify them.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,